Do you ever wonder how to measure the water content in soil? Well, you need a soil moisture sensor. This is part 16 of the KEYESTUDIO 3701 sensor kit, the soil sensor module. I'll use the fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the soil sensor module, 3 to 11 jumper wires, a cup with water, and a cup with dry soil. Place the soil sensor module on the breadboard towards the middle, connect the pin labeled S to analog pin A0, connect the pin labeled VCC to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled G and D to ground. Now here is the real version. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 10 lines of code. Open the serial monitor and observe the values from the sensor. The values should range between 0 and 1023. Next, place the soil sensor in the dry soil and observe the initial readings. Now, begin adding water to the soil. Your sensor reading values should increase. The more water in the soil, the higher the value. Try modifying the code. Change the range of values using the map function. Create a new variable for your sensor reading. Add the map function. Insert the variable that received the reading. Then insert the old minimum and old maximum values. Then insert the new minimum and new maximum values. And see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.